Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve a mirror cube. I think this is the easiest way to solve a mirror cube and hope you learn it how to solve. So before we start, I'm gonna show you some basics to solve the mirror cube. So those are each side has three parts, that is center piece, four edge pieces and four corner pieces. Each side is same and has one edge piece, one center piece, four edge pieces and four corner pieces. So let's start. We start scrambling the mirror cube and then solve the first layer. I think it's quite enough. So let's start. First we are gonna solve the first layer. For that we need to find the tallest centerpiece in the whole cube. This one. So we are gonna keep the first we are gonna keep our index finger on it so we can keep the track of where we are. So we are gonna find the pieces with long edges so that like this one. So we are gonna bring it to the opposite side of the tallest centerpiece like this. So the longest side is facing towards us instead of down. Now we are gonna find the match of the centerpiece with the longest edge piece. So we rotate the cube. See, it lines up here. Now we are gonna rotate it twice so that it matches up with the tallest centerpiece like this. Similarly, we are gonna find rest of the three edge pieces which are tall. So like this one. So we are gonna bring it down. See, in this case, the long side is facing towards down, not to us. So what we are gonna do is that we are gonna rotate it once to left or right side and then bring that side down. So the long side is facing towards us. Now we are gonna find the match of this piece here. Again, same step. So it also lines up with the tallest center piece. Another rest 3. Like here, 1. See, it lines up here. Rotate it twice, it also matches up. Easy. See, already in correct place. So just rotating it twice is needed. See, now we can see that we have created a cross by matching up all the longest edge piece with the center piece. Now we are gonna put the corner pieces in their correct place. So for that we are gonna find the biggest corner pieces in the whole cube. Like this one. We have to make sure that the shortest side is facing up like this here. So now we have to find the match of the longest side, the center piece. See, it matches up here. So what we are gonna do is that we need to put it here. So if we are in right, so we will move it to the if we are in left, so we will move it to the right and bring the piece down where we need to put it and then bring it back and put it back. So we can see that we have put that piece in its correct place. Similarly, we will find more pieces like this one. But in this case, the short piece is facing downward. So we have to make it face towards the up. So what we are gonna do is that we will bring the piece down, rotate it two times and then bring that up. Now we can see that the small side is facing towards upward. So now we are gonna find the match of this piece with the center. See, it matches up here. So again we are on left. So we will move to the right. Bring that piece down and put it. See, we can see that we have put it back. Next, this one. Again, we can see that the short side is facing down. So, same step. The line which is facing, we will move it down and rotate it anti-clockwise two times and put that piece back. So we can see short side is facing upwards. See, we will find its match now. Here, it matches up here. So we will put it. Again, we are on left. So we will move it to the right. Bring that piece, put it back and then back. See, we can see only one piece is remaining for solving the first layer. So we are gonna find again one piece. Here, again same case, the short piece is facing down. So we are gonna do the same step, bring this down rotate it 2 times anti-clockwise, and then put it back. Now we can see the short side is again facing towards us. So we bring it to its match here. Again we are on left, so right. Bring this down, put this back, and put it back. Now we can see that we have solved the first layer of the mirror cube. Now we come to the second layer of the mirror cube, where we are gonna find thick edge pieces in the cube, like this one. So we are gonna match it to the center piece with its correct position, like this. It matches up here. So we are gonna see where it will come. To the left side? No, it is not matching with left side. So we will go to the right. Yes, it lines up here. So what we have to do, we have to move it to the right. So we will take it to the left. Bring the piece where we need to put it, and then bring it to the right, and then take the piece up. Now we can see that we have damaged our this piece. So what we will do, here is the piece. We are on left, so we will do it right. Bring this down, bring this back, and do it up. We can see that we have put this piece. Like this, we have to do with all of the edge pieces in the second layer. Like this one. It is already lined up with its correct center piece. So we are gonna see where it will come. See, it lines up here. So we have to put it in the left side. So we have to put it in the left side. So we will move this in the right. Bring this down. Bring this peaks back, and then move this to up. Again, we will solve this. So in this case, we are on right. So we will move it to the left. Bring this down. Put it back. See, we have put this piece. Similarly, we will do with rest of the remaining pieces. This one. See, it matches up with the center piece. Now we have to see where it will where it will go, to the left or to the right. So we see it goes to the left. So we will move it to the right. Bring the left piece down. Bring that piece back, and then move this up. Again, we have to solve this. We are on right, so we will move it to the left. Bring the right piece down. Take it back and do. Now we can see we have solved the 2 layers of this mirror cube. Easy. Now we have to go to the third layer. For doing the third layer, we have to hold the cube like this, so that the uh, first layer is to the bottom. So now we are gonna find pieces. Now we are gonna see in this top layer that we will have a centerpiece or a L-shaped structure like this, or a line, or full plus only. In this case, we have a L-shaped structure. So by keeping one of the portions to the north and one of the portions to the west, we are gonna do this algorithm. I will put this algorithm in the description below. So the algorithm basically is F R U R prime U prime F prime. See, now we can see that we have a line. So we will hold it like this. Our front will be this, left, right, and up. So now we are gonna do the same algorithm again, and we will keep the line in horizontal instead of vertical. So same algorithm, F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now we can see that we have created the plus. Now we are gonna match the edge pieces on their correct positions. We can see that the edge pieces are not on their correct positions. So what we are gonna do is that we are gonna find that at least one piece will be in its correct position. See, here we have two. So what we will do, keeping one to the left and keeping one to the right, we will do this algorithm. I will put it in the description below. R U R prime U R U 2 times R prime U. See, it is not solved. So what we have to do, find a case in which we will have two edge pieces against each other on the correct position. See, in this one, we have this piece and this piece on the correct position. So by keeping them on, one on the north and one on the east, we will do this algorithm again, which is R U R prime U R U 2 times R prime U. Now we can see that we have put the all edge pieces in their correct positions. Now we have to solve the corner pieces. For solving the corner pieces, we need to see that at least one or no piece will be there in its correct position. See, we are gonna find that this one in its correct position. So, if you have a case in which no edge piece is in the correct position, so by keeping the cube in any position, you will follow the algorithm. But I have one edge piece, I have one corner piece in my correct place. So what I will do, by keeping that piece in right, I will follow the algorithm and I will put it in the description below. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. See, we can see that all pieces are not oriented in their correct places. So we will do the algorithm again. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. See, we can see that all edge pieces are in their correct positions now, but they are not oriented correctly. So for making them orient correctly, we will do the algorithm. R R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. See, we can see that piece is not in their correct position. So we will do this algorithm again. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. We can see that the piece is in its correct position, but it has created a mess in the down. But we don't need to worry for this, because when we will put all the pieces in their correct positions, then this will also solve. So this piece also, we will not move this side because mess is created in this side, so we will rotate it to this side only and do the algorithm. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. See, the cube is solved. Only we have to rotate the top layer and put it in correct position. Quite easy. Thank you. Thank you for watching.